एक और एकोमोडेशन लेके आ गए हैं जस्ट बस स्टॉप के पास। बेस्ट है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एंड ये बिल्डिंग है हमारे पीछे, वहाँ पर आप रहोगे। इफ़ यू आर कमिंग थ्रू अमृतपाल विजन, we will book your accommodation in this building and it's one of the best location here in Berlin. Now we have accommodated 9 apartments in Berlin just for the students of Amratpal Vision, and today we will show you one apartment.
We have our washroom over here. It's a very cozy and nice shower area with washing machine and other amenities.
When I came, they have offered me chips, but it's a pan. Good.
Moving on, we have another room in our apartment.
Thank you, Amratpal Vision. See you soon in Germany.
Hello everyone. So again, Amratpal Vision, founder of Amratpal Vision, with my student Nikhil, who came through Amratpal Vision, now handling all our students with their accommodation needs and airport pickup needs, and he will be your buddy if you are coming to Germany and especially in Berlin. एक और accommodation लेके आ गए हैं just बस स्टॉप के पास। बेस्ट है स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एंड ये बिल्डिंग है हमारे पीछे, वहाँ पर आप रहोगे। एंड स्पेशली फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ अमृतपाल विजन, इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग टू स्टडी इन जर्मनी एंड इफ़ यू आर कमिंग थ्रू अमृतपाल विजन, we will book your accommodation in this building and it's one of the best location here in Berlin, especially for students. And today we will show you one apartment which we have in Amratpal Vision. In total now we have accommodated 9 apartments in Berlin just for the students of Amratpal Vision. So if you are coming through Amratpal Vision, we will make sure that you land safely here in Germany. We will come to pick you up from the airport and we will bring you to your accommodation, which is pre-booked accommodation through Amratpal Vision. Just behind me you can see the bus, so it's very near to the bus stop and your daily sorry
Also, we have supermarket just opposite to the building.
yes, so supermarket for students just opposite to the building, so no problem for students. Very hot location for students to live here in Berlin. So I don't think so this type of facilities will be given by any mentor in India or in Germany. You can see the bus. This is the bus station here, just opposite to your building here in Germany, in Berlin. We'll give you the tour of the apartment because these students will do their student colleague, leave to other cities, and this will be also available to you if you are coming through Amratpal Vision. This is the apartment. And guess what? My students are here. Hi.
Hi.
How are you? So now you have to give the tour of the apartment, right? And this is camera. Say hi to your mom, dad, or your friends.
Hello everyone.
Yes. So these are the students of Amratpal Vision. Light chalu karna. Good. So these are my students, all of them living here in Berlin, and they will be showing you the apartment where they live here, and they will be also sharing you the short stories, how they came here, how was their airport pickup, and what they are doing here in Berlin. Right now I am here with my students who are in Berlin right now doing their student colleague, and they have an apartment through Amratpal Vision. We have given all the services like airport pickup and brought them here in their apartment here in Germany, which was pre-booked from India. And Mr. Eklavya Agarwal will give you the tour of the apartment, and whenever you will come to Berlin, you will get a similar apartment here in Berlin. And also this is the brand new apartment, and as you know that here in Berlin finding accommodation is very difficult, and that too a new apartment, it is not possible because you should have at least 3,000 euros as a monthly income to get a new apartment like this. So but with the help of Amratpal Vision, it is very easily possible to get this kind of accommodation here in Berlin. So Eklavya, go ahead, tell us something about yourself, and then please give the tour of the apartment. Okay?
Hi, I'm Eklavya Agarwal. I'm a student of Amratpal A Vision from Gurgaon, and I've been living in Germany for the past 2 months. Amratpal A Vision has helped me from the very start of my program, starting from the airport pickup to my apartment drop, which was at a very late night, and cabs over there at that time are very difficult, but Amratpal A Vision has helped me from the very start. So now I'll show you the apartment inside. Moving in, we have a small shoe rack where we all place our shoes and all our football stuff, sports stuff. Moving ahead, we have a small storage area over here where we keep our vacuum cleaners, mops, etc. Then moving on, at the very beginning, we have our washroom over here. It's a very cozy and nice shower area with washing machine and other amenities. Going ahead, we have our kitchen over here. In our kitchen, we got our cabinets with fitted before coming to the apartment, a very nice lampshade, and all of these light bulbs which help to make us our food and etc. other stuff.
So guys, this kitchen, the island kitchen, is not possible to get here in Germany for students. But with the help of Amratpal Vision, the island type kitchen also we have provided to our boys. And yes, they make really good food, and when I came they have offered me chips but in the pan. Good. So yes, so this type of kitchen is not easily available here in Berlin, but you will also get this apartment once these boys will move out to their final universities, which will be THWS and other universities after the student going. Yes, Eklavya?
Yeah. So now we'll come to the main apartment, which is the bedrooms. The first bedroom we have is a two-person bedroom with 2 beds, a table, and a almirah for all our stuff. Moving on, we have another room in our apartment. It's a 3-bedroom apartment for 3 people, a single bed, a double bed, 3 tables, 3 almirahs, and a nice cozy little balcony. So yeah, that sums up our apartment, and yeah, it's been a very nice and cozy apartment as of now. Also, my friends have told me that having an apartment like this for a student is very, very difficult, and it's all been possible because of Amratpal Vision. Thanks.
तो जब तक आपका स्कूफा पॉजिटिव ना हो, लाइक वो लोग सब कुछ चेक करते हैं, एंड वो लोग कितना अर्न करते होंगे तब 35% उनका टैक्स कट होके नेटो 3000 होता है. सो इट्स लाइक वेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क टू.
सो इन शॉर्ट, निखिल का कहने का मतलब है ये है कि इतना अच्छा अपार्टमेंट सिर्फ अमृतपाल विजन के स्टूडेंट्स के पास है और किसी के पास नहीं. ऐसा ही कहना चाहते हो?
हाँ, बिकॉज अमृतपाल विजन के पास कॉन्टैक्ट है जो लाइक स्टूडेंट को वो कॉन्टैक्ट के लिए भागना नहीं पड़ता. लाइक यहाँ पे वैसा नहीं कि आप डायरेक्ट कंपनीज में चले जाओ और उनको बोल लो कि हमको अपार्टमेंट चाहिए. वो लोग आपको ऐसे अपार्टमेंट नहीं दे सकते, बिकॉज यहाँ पे क्या होता है, सिक्योरिटी मेन होती है. लाइक स्टूडेंट को अपार्टमेंट मिल सकता है, बट जब कोई डैमेज हो गया अपार्टमेंट को तो स्टूडेंट उसको बेयर नहीं कर सकता, उसको फुलफिल नहीं कर सकता. सो इसी डर के कारण स्टूडेंट्स को यहाँ पे अपार्टमेंट नहीं मिलते. सो एक मेन रीज़न ये है कि रेफरेंस. सो जितना आपका अच्छा रेफरेंस होगा उतनी बेटर फैसिलिटी आपको मिलेगी.
राइट. सो देख लीजिए यार, ऐसा तो हमारा इंडिया में भी किचन नहीं है, एटलीस्ट मेरे घर पे तो नहीं है. मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताना चाहता हूँ. गाइस आर वेरी वेल व्हेन इट कम्स टू हॉस्पिटैलिटी. उन्होंने अपने घर से जो सामान आया है, लड्डू, चिप्स एंड चिक्की, 2 ग्लास मस्त पानी के भर के रखे हैं. सो इसी की वजह से हम लोग ऑलवेज गुड टू गो रहते हैं कि जितने बच्चों को मदद कर सके उतना हम लोग करें. और हमारे इंडिया की जो हॉस्पिटैलिटी है वो ही सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है. उसी की वजह से आज अमृतपाल विजन का इतना बड़ा नाम, इतना बड़ा अस्तित्व है. और इतने अच्छे अपार्टमेंट में स्टूडेंट्स को रखना, जो बर्लिन में जो अच्छे प्रोफेशनल्स होते हैं, पेड प्रोफेशनल्स होते हैं, उनको भी ऐसा अपार्टमेंट नहीं मिलता है. सो गाइस, Thank you for being with us. Thanks a lot for laddus, chips and the water. So अगर आपको भी जर्मनी आना है, if you are looking to come to Germany, do contact Amratpal Vision. निखिल का जब तक लैंग्वेज ख़त्म नहीं हो जाता है, he will be here to support you. ये जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं, गाइस निखिल के बारे में क्या बोलना चाहते हो? आपको एयरपोर्ट पे कौन लेने आया था? सो निखिल भी स्टूडेंट है. ही इज़ डूइंग हिज लैंग्वेज हियर. ही इज़ अ मास्टर स्टूडेंट. represented his university in Indian Robotics and International Robotics Festival. So हमारे पास इतने अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स हैं, इतने अच्छे बच्चे हैं. We just want कि सब अपना एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ के जर्मनी में चलें. एंड अमृतपाल विजन से जितना हेल्प होता है उतना हम लोग करते हैं.
Hi, I'm Eklavya Agarwal and I'm a student of Amratpal Aviation from Gurugram, Haryana. I've been living in Germany for the past 2 months, but Amratpal Aviation has helped me from the start of my process, like applying for visas, many universities, preparing for exams, and also getting me placed in very perfect universities. Amratpal Aviation also picked me up from the airport at a very late time when cabs or trains are not available and brought me to this accommodation, which is a very nice one. Getting an accommodation like this for a student is very difficult, but because of Amratpal Aviation, it has been possible for me. I highly recommend you Amratpal Aviation.
Hi, I'm Krit Rajawat. I'm a student of Amratpal Vision and I'm from Mumbai. I'm currently studying in Germany for the past 2 months. It has been an excellent journey throughout the entire year via Amratpal Vision. They helped us through several processes like visa application, filing our entire visa, including bank details and their financial statements, and the most important thing was the apartment searching, and currently here at the apartment they are providing with all the possible help. It has been a great journey so far and many more.
Hi, my name is Arjun Gupta. I'm from Agra. I'm in Germany right now for the past 2 months. I'm a student of Amratpal Vision. They helped me with every process, visa process, admission process, and booked a great accommodation in Berlin. Overall experience in this accommodation is very great. So I highly recommend you, if you are looking to study in Germany, to contact Amratpal Vision.
Hi, I'm Pratham Mehta from Mumbai. I'm a student of Amratpal Vision. It's been 2 months in Germany, but Amratpal Vision has helped us over the year, helping us in our visa filings, helping us in our admission processes, also helping us opening our bank accounts and bank details. Amratpal Vision has been a great support, not only academically, but overall, wherein they help us in transportation late night in Berlin from the airport to this beautiful apartment, which is near to our college and not easy to get. Amratpal Vision has been a thorough support for us throughout our time in Germany. So I would surely recommend you Amratpal Vision. Thank you Amratpal Vision. See you soon in Germany.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.